Today is restaurant day. We're going to Bar de Juarez a little bit later. Bicycle lane day. There's a lot of bicycle lanes. Country rocks. It's totally awesome. It's so beautiful.
Que seja assim todo dia. Que seja assim todos os dias. Seja amanhã outro
Very
dia.
quiet in here. Few people here and there. Remember though, I'm inside the nursery, inside the park.
Outro dia.
Those greenhouses are fabulous to go inside of with those estufas. They're closed today.
Ou seja. We're on a bike path. This is a pretty new bike path. We used to be on the street inside cones, but now some of the branches are so low, take your head off if you're not paying attention. Come to a stop up ahead. Kilometers an hour coming up on a jacaranda tree. Sunday, March 13th. Beats the hell Alright, we are approaching Puerto Famous bridge. Now I'm going to put it in the rear view. Rear view mirror. Obrigado. There, that must be an interesting perspective right there. It's made a big difference in the marble. This street that we're on now is called Roberto Marinho. So, that's the famous bridge back there. And that's the beginning of the Skyrail, Skytrain, whatever it's going to be called. Monorail. Maybe that's what it's called. I should know the name. Thing's been in construction for 3 years at least. And, hey guys! Hey! O dinheiro não é tudo na vida, meu irmão. O dinheiro tudo
I'm with
é
MTV.
Actually, go away!
O dinheiro não é tudo na vida, meu irmão. O dinheiro não
Boy,
compra
these
paz
kids
no
can ride too.
coração.
You should see how they can pop wheelies and stuff. I had one kid come up. My friend told me he had his front tire level with my head. He was on one tire behind me. It's just unbelievable how good some of them can ride. Now I'm crossing Princess Isabel, the street where I lived 10 years ago.
com a paz e harmonia,
Vai.
Deus é que
Vai.
dá.
Approaching.
Relógio de ouro, carro
I'm gonna take a
veloz,
lot of
vida comandado por
today.
tua voz. Vem curtir, dinheiro, não compra
It
pra
is
nós.
my favorite. Well, I have one other more favorite. But they serve this dish, picanha, in a brazier. It is fabulous. Service is outstanding. Food is out of this world. Good. So this is a half a block from my studio. Behind me there is Mambo, the grocery store. Excellent. As good as any I've ever been in the world. But I want to get footage of Paula doesn't like it when I take video with her around. So I have to go to great lengths to take any footage. Just fabulous. And tonight every single chair and every single table will be full. It's really quiet. It's still very early. I wanted to get here early today. Oh, just go. Awesome. In the grocery store. This is the people buy their own boxes here, their own scotch. Okay? What we're gonna have is called picanha. They bring a brazier right to your table. And it's so hot. Juarez. My favorite. Well, second favorite after the ribeye. Whoa, okay. Now first we need some oil on that. Garlic on the meat though.